Meaning of hairpiece.
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 Hairpiece. A hairpiece is an artificial piece of hair that is used to cover baldness or hair loss. It can be attached to the scalp using tape, glue, or clips, and can be made from a variety of different materials, such as synthetic fibers or human hair. Hairpieces are often custom-made to match a person's natural hair color, texture, and style, and can be worn by both men and women. They are a popular option for those looking to enhance their appearance or address hair loss due to age, illness, or genetics.